Happy Monday, my friends. I hope everyone had a fabulous weekend. But this is Lindsay coming back at you with another daily work from home job lead. This one is very exciting because they seem to be hiring multiple people. So your chances of getting hired are increased just because there is more than one position available. But today's job lead is from PSCU. It is a credit union, and they are hiring a case management rep to work remotely from home. Now, unfortunately, this is for my United States folks only. So this role is 100% remote, and it has opportunities to work a flexible schedule between 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. once you've mastered your role after training. They pay anywhere from $15 an hour all the way up to $18.64 an hour, and they offer 4 weeks of paid training. Now, you do have to be available for the core training between the hours of 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the first 4 weeks. They ask that you also be willing to work 10 hours of overtime per pay period. So not only can you make up to $18.64 an hour, but overtime is pretty much guaranteed. So you will be making lots of money with this position. Now, as far as the 4 weeks of paid training, they have 2 different training classes. One starts at the end of this month on August 29th, and they have 2 positions left for that training class. So it seems like they are hiring 2 people by the end of the month. And the next training class is Monday, September 12th. And they have 17 positions open for that training class. So what the job entails is that you'll be processing incoming fraud and non-fraud disputes within the credit union dispute platform. So you'll have to use your basic knowledge of card association guidelines and timeframes to process credit card chargebacks and recover funds on behalf of the cardholder and credit union. So you'll perform chargebacks and dispute resolution. You'll review electronic documentation produced from various sources. You will review and research and initiate the resolution of dispute inquiries from cardholders, credit unions, merchants, and internal departments. You'll handle all aspects of that dispute process in compliance with Visa and MasterCard and federal and state regulations, and you'll send written communication to members of the credit union letting them know the status of their fraud case. So this is probably when people have transactions on their debit card that they didn't make, and they submit an online form saying, I am disputing these charges, I didn't make them, and you are doing the research and processing any of those chargebacks. This is completely a non-phone position, and best of all, they do not require a college degree. Only a high school diploma or GED is required. Of course, they always prefer college education, but that is not required. They do want you to have 1 year of customer service experience, and 1 year working in payments is preferred but not required. General knowledge of card brands such as Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover is preferred but not required. So the only requirements is a high school diploma or GED and 1 year of customer service. Now, they do want someone who can demonstrate excellence and leadership, someone who can work both independently and as a team member, someone who can communicate effectively in both verbal and written formats, somebody who can multitask and manage multiple projects at the same time, and someone who has the availability to work flexible hours. Now, it does say you must have a valid mailing address. They can't ship equipment to P.O. boxes. They do provide all the equipment you need to get started, so you don't even have to have a computer. They do ask, though, that you have access to a smart device, either a smartphone or a tablet. Now, because this is a full-time job, they do also offer a benefit package that includes all the goodies such as vision, dental, life, health insurance, 401k, health savings plans, paid time off, all the things. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.